this time we almost
Hello, you sexy animals. Today we're going to be mastering the tulip. Very similar to a heart. The first steps and stages are all the same. You need to start earlier on, which I'm going to show you. We're going to pour around, really tilt the cup and slowly pour in. And I mean, you can make this as easy or as complex as you want. You could do a 2-part tulip, you could do a 12-part tulip. It depends what level you're at and where you want to be. And again, practice, practice, practice. Okay, so here's some I've just poured my espresso, textured my milk, so it's all done and ready to go. If you're not quite sure on how to texture your milk correctly and you're looking at my milk thinking, oh crikey, mine definitely doesn't look like that, then please look at the link down below in the description, and that will then take you to our video on how to pour and how to texture milk correctly. So go to that first and then come back to this video and then go from there. Okay, so again, we're going to polish the milk, polish our espresso, and then we're going to hold the cup on a slight angle like this. Okay, we're then going to start by slowly pouring around the espresso. And then about here, I'd come out, go back in, and push like that. You're going to come out, push back in, come out. So this is where you can add in as many or as little parts as you want to. It depends on how complex you want to make it. So this is just a 3-part tulip. So I've just done 3. Obviously you can make more. So now I'm just going to show you a few different tulips and different versions. So I hope this video helped you guys really understand how to create the perfect tulip. All it is practice, as I keep repeating, which I'm sorry if I'm boring you to tears, but that's all it is. And say please subscribe to our channel and please follow our journey and our story. We just love coffee here and we want to share it with others. So have a great day. I'm off home. See you later. What's that one? That's so bad.
Do that one.
I'm sorry. I'm not having that.
I'm gonna